Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about Future Group Limited. There is a major news today, so that we are going to discuss in this news. In this video, in the last 3 days back, I put one video. In this video, already I clearly stated that Supreme Court reopening and also until June 28 June 28 all future group shares will be traded almost flat, and also it will be traded somewhere around future retail will be traded somewhere around 45 to 50 range. Already I mentioned that. So this is the right time we can enter, so but no need to do it now. So we will this price range will be continued till June 28th, so no need to enter right now. So uh, just you can track the share, so there will not be any major rally. So you will get the share in between June second week, you will get the share at the same price. So no need to worry about that. So we are going to discuss about the latest news. Those who are holding future group share, please hold it. So before we are going to the news, just we will see the trading pattern. So you can see here in the last trading section, so almost all the future group shares traded about 2%, and also the delivery percentage was somewhere around 45 to 65 percentage delivery was happen in all future group shares. So just we will go into the details. So you can see here future market networks, it's closed at 2.05 percentage upper circuit, sorry, up, and also 64.97 percentage delivery. And here you can see that future enterprises limited 1.12 percentage, and also 65 percentage delivery. And here you can see that future supply chain solution 1.69 percentage up, and 42 percentage delivery. And you can see here future retail limited 2.96 percentage delivery, sorry, 2.96 percentage up, and 47 percentage delivery. And here you can see that future consumer limited 1.4947 percentage, and 34 percentage delivery. And here you can see that future lifestyle fashion limited 2.19 percentage up, and 43 percentage delivery. So here you can see in the trend, while we are seeing here, it is getting consolidated because the retailers confidence is getting increased, and people are either making average or started buying. So the trend will be continued, and the price range will be almost what I said, 45 to 50 range will be continued for another 1 month till Supreme Court reopening, and the deal will be completed by August, July or August, July mid or July mid to August 15th, the deal will be completed. So for sure, the deal will be completed. After that, the sudden rally will start. So we will go into the news then. So here you can see that this news was published today. So today you can see that this was published in Business Standard. It's a paid news, I believe. So no need to worry about this news. News. This is a negative news, but no need to worry. Actually, see here you can see Reliance Industries may negotiate future group valuation, the banker said. So actually, they are saying that in last year, while the deal was announced, 25,000 crore deal was announced, RIL was Future Group was doing almost good. The sales after that, due to the pandemic and all, the sales was down. So almost they are saying that almost 30% sale down was happened. For that reason, again they will go for a revaluation of Future Group, and again this 25,000 crore amount what Reliance Industries offered will be again reevaluated. So this will not be happened because already the deal submitted to NCLT. Once the deal submitted to NCLT, they cannot modify this deal. So let us wait for the outcome, Supreme Court outcome. Then surely the deal will be completed, and surely this will be a multi-bagger. So thank you very much for watching, and please don't worry about all the latest paid newses. Just keep holding what if you are holding the future group share, and try to make the average if possible. And kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates.